Good morning, all. How are you? I hope you all are fine and good at your places. Children, welcome back to your online computer class. Children, in the last video, we have discussed about chapter number 6 queries. Today, we will continue this chapter number 6 queries part 2. Children, in the previous video, we have discussed about what is query and relationship between the tables. Today, we will continue this chapter. Topics to be covered are: number 1 is create a query in design view. Second, specifying simple criteria. And lastly, we will discuss about specifying multiple criteria. Okay, children? Now, first of all, children, create a query in design view. Now, children, create a query in design view. Children, a design view gives you more control over a query. It allows you to create a query from the scratch. Okay, some steps are there, children. You have to follow these steps. How to create a query in a design view? First of all, children, open the database and then click on the create tab. Select the query design button. Okay, after that this show table will appear. This is the show table dialog box. Here, children, three options are there: tables, queries, or both. You have to select the record source of your query either by selecting table, query, or both. First of all, children, you have to select the table which you have already made, and then lastly click on the table, queries, or both. Okay, children. Now, children, some steps are there, you have to follow this. It is also available in your computer book. Children, here we have selected the table. You can see here we have selected the table student which we have already made. Click on add button and then click on close button. This query design window will appear. This is the query design window. Okay, children. After that, children, the main query window is divided into two panes. This one, children, you can see this is the top pane. This is the top pane and this is the bottom pane. Top pane display the tables. It will display the tables. Okay, and this bottom pane display the design grid. Design grid. Okay. Okay, children. First of all, children, this is the top pane display the table selected for the query. You have to select, this is the top pane, and you have to select the query. This is the query option you have to select, and these are the fields. Okay, in case of multiple tables, field list are joined by line. Suppose multiple tables, two tables are there. Here are the fields, and if two tables will display, it will join by a line. Okay, these join lines link field that share the same field name. Means we have to select the primary key. In both the tables, one primary key is necessary. Now here, children, we have only one field, this one. Okay, one field is there. The joining lines indicate the table relation that relate the table data in one table to the data in another table. Children, this is the top pane display table which select for the query. Now this bottom pane display the design grid. You can add field to the query by dragging from the field list to the design grid or by double click. Either children you have to, these are the field and you have to select here. Either you click double click here, either you double click, it will appear here, it will in the design grid, or you have to drag it, either you have to drag it here in the design grid, drag. Okay children. Now children, the design grid is similar to the spreadsheet. This is the similar to the spreadsheet. Which column represent with columns representing each field in the query. Okay children. Now children, design grid. Children, in the design grid, first option is field. Field row of the design grid display the selected fields from the table. You have to select the table field from the table. Next option is table row. It display the name of the existing table. Name of the table you have to write in a table option. Next is show. Show row display the check marks. The field which check the marks display the information when the query is being run. To hide the field during runtime, unchecked check mark by clicking on it. If whatever field you want to show, you have to click on the check mark. These check marks are there, you have to click. If you don't want to display the field, then you leave the check marks. It will hide. The field will hide. Next option is sort. Property is used to filter the data either in ascending or descending order. It is optional. Either you can do or not. Next is criteria. Property contain the condition. In criteria option you have to give the condition. It is used to filter the record from the query output. Or property can be used to set the multiple criteria in a query. Okay children. Now children, look at the screen. Here the screen is some steps are there. You have to follow it. Drag the field from the student. Student are the table which we have already made. Window which you want to display the query design grid. This is the top pane which display the table. Student table we have selected here, and these are the field of the student table. Specify the criteria, click on the run and then command in the result group on the design tab. After that, assess the retrieve the relevant data for the table and display the output in a design view. If we have double click here, it will come here in a design grid. Here many options are there which I have already told: field, table, show, sort and criteria. After that, save it, and after that it will go to the navigation pane, and lastly you have to open this query output. This is the query. We have selected 3 fields are there in the, this is the name, class, and this is the grade, and then address. These field will open. Okay, we have selected these field in the design grid. This is the output of the query, and If you are saving it, it will display the dialog box, save as, open, then write down the query name and then OK button. Okay children. Now children, come to the specifying simple criteria. Children, criteria is specified in the criteria row in the design grid. Some options are there. Number one is field, okay, and then table, and then show, and then sort, and lastly criteria. Okay. Children, in the criteria specify the criteria row of the design grid. Specify the criteria value in the criteria row. You have to write the in the criteria option, you have to select the values. We have to write values there, and then here you write the criteria value. Data will be filtered accordingly in the query output. Okay children. Now children, you can see some steps are there. First of all, select the query in navigation pane. Navigation pane is available at the left hand side. You want to modify. Now after that, now click on the view button on the home tab. After that, select the design view option and then select the query opens in a design view. After opening the query, now view the record of class 12th. Suppose we have selected the record class 12th record. Double click on the address field and class field in the field list. Okay, it will move to the criteria row. It will move to the criteria row and type the in the criteria box is equal to 12 in class field column. Okay children, you can see children, this is the specifying criteria. This is the design grid window. Okay, two windows are there. First is top pane display the table and bottom pane display the design grid. It is a design grid, top bottom pane. Here some options are there: field, table, sort, show, criteria. Okay, we have selected 1, 2, 3, 4 field: name, class, grade and address. And from which table these fields are coming? Students table. Okay, one table we have already made, student table. Show, students name will show, then class, then grade and address. We have click here, check boxes, and we have to write the condition here in the class. Criteria is equal to 12, means class will be 12. Okay, then it will show the class 12th record. Children, click on the sort property in the address column and set in ascending order. Okay, click on the close button of the query window to save the query. A dialog box will appear specifying a name to query. Click on lastly OK button. Children, the query name will be appear in the navigation pane. It is available in the left hand side. Double click on the query name. It will show or view the query output. Okay. Okay children, look at the screen children. This is the simple criteria. This is the navigation pane. Navigation pane available at the left hand side. This is the query you have to select. This is the query. This record will display. Okay, class 12th. Okay, only class 12th record it will show. Okay, so we have selected the criteria is equal to 12th, then it will show the class 12th records. Okay children, now children, next is specifying multiple criteria. Children, specify multiple criteria. It specify the multiple criteria in the query. Children, we have given one example. Suppose you want to see the record of class 10th as well as 12th. Both the record we want to show. Then move the cursor to the criteria row. Here. Criteria row is here in the design grid. And then you have to type the condition is equal to 10 in the class column. This is the class column. And the second condition 12. Both the condition you have to type in the criteria column. Okay, one or option is also there. One criteria you have to write is equal to 10, and in the row or row you have to write condition is equal to 12. Okay, then you have to write this. After writing the condition here 12 and 12, 10 and 12 in the criteria, then save it and again you open the query, then this query output will come. It will show the class 10th record and class 12 both the records. This is the multiple criteria. Okay children. Now children, we will meet soon in the next video. I hope you all are understanding this query chapter. We will meet soon in the next video. Till then, thank you.